dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank you for subscribing to my channel and all your support. This week I'm traveling to the city of Patna, which is the capital city of the state of Bihar. And I'm traveling there for just one night and going to check into the hotel called Hotel Chanakya. Hotel Chanakya is probably the best hotel in Patna. So let's check it out. Well, this hotel is a mid-sized property with about 120 rooms in about 5 floors, and sixth floor they have these meeting rooms and party halls and all. And so I got the room allotted to me on the fifth floor itself. Let's go there and check out my room. The room is spacious, good lighting, good linen. The ambience is good. The view from the my window, you have all the basic amenities. Let's check out the toilet. A decent sized toilet with a shower room, nice wardrobe, wooden flooring. So overall it's a good room. Dinner time. This is a Samrat restaurant, which is a multi-cuisine restaurant. And next to this Samrat is this room called Madeira. Why I'm calling this a room was once upon a time this was a bar, and ever since Bihar became dry, this is non-functional. And in the first floor there is this restaurant called Takshashila. So I chose this restaurant to have my dinner because they offer very good Mughlai dishes. Friends, I changed my room at the midnight. Initially my room was in the fifth floor, and just above my room there was this party hall in the sixth floor, and there was a lot of dance and noise, and I just couldn't sleep. So I requested the hotel to shift me to another room, and they shifted me to a room at the fourth floor. And this room also is as good as the earlier room. I think this room is a little more contemporary, and the ambience is a little more trendy. Anyway, I'm going to sleep now, and see you tomorrow morning. I hope I can have a good sleep. As such, there's no external sound here, so I think this is peaceful. Good night. Good morning, guys. I had a great night's sleep. Just woke up. The time now is about 6:45 a.m. The city is already woken up, and I also have to check out in the morning because I have to go to a couple of places in the city. And the hotel people have been kind enough to pack my breakfast, which I have collected from the Samrat restaurant. So that's from me this week. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment to my videos and my channel. Bye for now.